Hello again, and welcome to Introducing CH. We write these letters together for a sound that we would listen for. Do you know that sound? Let's wait and see. You know the letters C and H already, so you will be up to speed on how to write them. We will be joining them together, which is a little bit different. We'll start with a lead-in stroke and then up a little to go over. Back to the beginning again. Lead in, curl over, back and curl under. But you will notice that our curl under hasn't gone quite as far as it usually would. That's because we will be joining H. Lead in, curl over, back, curl under, and a straight line up. Lead in, curl over, back over the top, curl under, straight line up, and then back down again. Let's finish the H. Lead in, curl over, back over the top, curl under, up, down, up again, but only to here. Curl over and add an exit stroke. Let's write that in printed letters. We have the letter C and the letter H goes next to it. And you can use this style if you would rather, but maybe have a go at joining them together. Capitals, the C is the same shape but a bit bigger, and H, a capital H. Now if a whole word is written in capitals, that's what you'd put. But at the beginning of a sentence, or the name of a person or place, you would put a capital C and then a lowercase h. What sound do we listen for to know to write C and H together? We listen for ch. There are 3 more sounds that you might listen for, but this is the one that we're concentrating on at the moment because it's used most often. Let's write the letters we need for ch on our handwriting page. Lead in, up and curl over, back, curl under, up to the pink line for the H, down, back up a little way to curl over and finish it. And our capitals, capital C and a lowercase h. There. You can always pause the video to practice, or you can carry on watching and work with me. We are going to be joining CH to all of the vowels that might follow it in a minute. But first, let's write 3 sets of the letters C and H for the sound ch. C and an H joined to it. C, H, up, down again, back up a little way, curl over and down to the writing line with an exit stroke. And there's another one. C and H for the sound ch. Now we'll write it printing the letters C and H. C, and did you notice we finish it when we're writing a printed C because we're not leading into the letter H. And capital C but a lowercase h. And again, capital C and a lowercase h. So this time we will have CH leading into the letter A. And H into A. And again to practice. Looks a bit like cha-cha. C-H-E. And again. C-H-I. There we go, and remember to dot the I when you've finished. C-H-O. And C-H-O again. So what will be our last one? Well done, you've guessed. C-H-U. And C-H-U again. Well done. If we're thinking of finger spelling, we have C and H there. C holding up your right hand, H brushing your right hand across your left hand. And if you're left-handed, you would do the C with your left hand and brush along your hand for the H. Thank you for joining me.